Hello learners, welcome to our YouTube channel Study Kernel. Today in this video we are going to learn how to reverse a given decimal number using do while loop in C language. So let's start. As shown in example, let a number is 4589. After reversal, number becomes 9854. Structure of do while loop is as shown. Inside do keyword, we write statements within curly brackets. Condition is checked at last. Always remember, in do while loop, while keyword is always ended with semicolon. Before writing actual program, we always write an algorithm. Algorithm is a blueprint of actual program. We know that algorithm is always written in step. Step 1 is start. In step 2, we read a number which is to be reversed and store it in a variable num. In step 2, we initiate another variable reverse num and initialize it with 0. In step 3, we find last digit of a number by finding remainder, that is using modulus operator. In step 4, we shall build a reverse number by appending extracted digit, that is remainder, using formula reverse num is equals to reverse num into 10 plus remainder. In step 5, we divide num by 10 to remove last digit. In step 6, we run loop till num value becomes 0. Step 7 is last step, that is stop. Now we will see flowchart. Flowchart is a graphical representation of an algorithm. Flowchart always begins with start and ends with stop. Number is read and stored in num. And initialize variable reverse num as 0. Next, we compute num mod 10 to find remainder and store it in reverse num. We compute reverse number using formula, that is reverse num equals to reverse num into 10 plus remainder. Then to remove last digit of a number, we divide it by 10. At last, we will check condition value of num is 0 or not. If condition is true, then loop iterations are continued. Else, we will display a reverse number. Last step is stop. Now we will see actual program to reverse a number. First of all, initialization of standard library files such as stdio.h and conio.h is done. In main program, we will ask user to enter a number to be reversed. Using scanf function, we shall read that number and store it in a variable original. Then, do while loop begins. Last digit is computed by doing num mod 10, which will yield remainder, that is last digit. Then, by using formula that we have discussed earlier, we will compute reverse number. At last, we will display both original and reverse number. Now, we will run the code using Turbo C. Same code that we have discussed earlier is shown here. We will run the code by clicking on Run button. In output window, it is asking to enter a number to be reversed. Let's enter a value as 4862. We have got answer as 2684, that is reverse of original number. We will run it one more time. Let's enter value as 1234. Now we have got value as output 4321. Thank you for watching this video. Keep learning and keep growing. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and press bell icon for latest updates. Thank you.